With the success of Nishorama and other brands that are selling corset back short kurtis, I feel like corset back kurtis, especially corset back short kurtis, have grown an immense audience over the last year, over the last 2 years. Everybody is wearing the same thing. And I'm usually always against it. I wear it too. I love it. It snatches my waist like nothing can. But I feel like there's more to our desi casuals, and I want to try some more outfit combinations from my own wardrobe, and hoping that it will give you an inspiration as well to go look into your wardrobe and make new outfit combinations. If you try one of my combinations, I would love to see it. You can reach out to me on my Instagram. Let's just get into it. This is the first outfit combination. It's inspired by this creator. Her name's Reem. I think you might know her. She's quite famous. She was doing this different types of tops and outfits you can make from scarves. And she inspired me to do this one. I'm not sure if she did cover this one or not, but it's very easy. Folded the scarf in half, and then I just took it back and brought it into the front and tied it here in the on the side. This is how the back looks like. Yeah, it feels pretty secure. If you wanna wear boob tapes or fashion tapes for this to make it feel more secure, you can definitely do that. I got this from a street market in Kolkata. This was for only 200, and I got this scarf from a thrift store here in Raipur, also for 200 or 150, something like that. I have so many outfit combinations to go right now. I don't feel like wearing the accessories, but you get it. It turned out pretty well. I thought it would look more DIY-ish, but it feels very secure, you know. It may look DIY-ish here, but this is fixable. This is because of the kind of fabric my scarf is, but if your fabric is better, I think it will turn out better than this. I did not expect it to turn out this stable, but it is like a very snug fit. I'm surprised. Wow. Let's go. Next outfit combination is normal short kurti with ruffled mini skirt with my Doc Marten dupes, of course. I feel like if this skirt was more tiered, how do you say it? I don't know, and more ruffled, it would add more volume here, and that would give a nice shape to the entire outfit. This is very playful. I like it. I just feel like the colors don't go that well together, but if you have a better color combination in this outfit combination, I think it can work nicely. I'll be just doing this the whole time I wear it. Act like a kid basically. Up here we have a long kurti, trousers, and a corset. I like how casual this looks, and at the same time, the outfit is so elevated. Like, I can wear this with heels, I can wear it with shoes, works both ways. I feel like this is working because the trousers match the color of my corset. I feel like the corset is replacing the dupatta in this outfit. This is a kurti that I got as a gift for Raksha Bandhan, I think 2 years ago, if I'm not wrong. And this is a corset that my best friend got me from Sarojini Nagar. I think, if I'm not wrong, for 200 rupees. I feel like this one's my favorite. A long kurti with an A-line leather skirt. It turned out to be better than how I imagined it. I'm not sure about these heels, but the combination I'm liking. I think this one's my favorite up until everything that I've tried yet. A friend of mine got me this kurti from Lucknow. And this A-line skirt my sister got me from, again, Sarojini. The kurti was for 350 and the skirt I think was for 200. I'm not sure. I'll ask her. What do you guys think? Is this too ashleel? Don't say that. I really like it. This next outfit is very close to my heart because this shirt that I'm wearing is my grandfather's, and he sadly passed away last year. But I got this shirt, it's a khadi shirt, and I wear it very dearly to my heart. And the dress that I'm wearing over it is passed down to me by my eldest cousin sister. I think this is from her early 20s. I feel like so many people give me clothes or their own clothes, and I feel really blessed. I don't want to be emo right now. I have got tons of work. But anyways, I think this tops as my favorite as well. I did not expect it to be so pretty. I think this is my favorite. I think yeah. This one's my favorite of all. This is the whole outfit. The shirt is khadi and this one's a denim dress. ये chain मैं ऊपर तक लगाती, but I feel like it's giving the stage the shirt needed. I paired this with my good old black same heels. Yeah, I have limited footwear. Shut up. Anyways, I hope you liked today's video. If you like these kind of videos, consider subscribing. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Trisha. I'm a personal stylist, mostly virtual. I help people get dressed, build their wardrobes, and more. But I think I also enjoy doing it for myself. Bye, I'll see you in the next one.